Hey Rockers, Michael here from Essential Guitar Lessons, and let's do some more guitar tapping. So this is a series of tapping videos for beginners to advanced players, which I'll upload weekly. If there's anything you don't understand in this video, go back a few parts. All aspects of this technique are covered. And we'll be learning a new pattern today using the open string and the A Minor Pentatonic Scale. We'll learn the pattern and then we'll try moving our tapping hand up and down the neck. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Heaps of songs and lessons to come. If you're having any problems with this exercise, leave a comment and I'll get back to you. So let's make a start. As usual, I've got some gain and delay on the guitar with my selection switch on the neck pickup. This time we'll be using the A Minor Pentatonic Scale and the open string. All the rest stays the same. We're still tapping with our second finger, so we're not putting down our pick. And you can rest the palm under your thumb on your E and A string. Saves you being out in the air while you're doing your tapping. Now with our left hand, we can place this a little bit differently this time. We don't have to have our fingers dead straight. It's much easier if you've got your first finger touching the neck of the guitar, and you can use either your first or your second finger to do the hammer on. I'll be using my second finger there. So we're going to start with our tap on the bottom E string on the 8th fret. So we tap on, we pull off to the open this time, so we don't even have our fingers down, and we have our two steps. Tap on, pull off. So it's exactly the same as our previous exercises. Tap on, pull off, and then our third step we're going to hammer on to the 5th fret with either your first or second finger there, and that's the whole pattern. So we want to hear 3 different notes. Our tap on, our pull off to the open, hammer on to the 5th fret. Tap on, pull off, open, hammer on to the 5th fret. Now when I go to do it again, when I put the tap down again, this is the same as our other exercises, that's when I lift my second finger off. I don't lift it off before I do the tap, otherwise I'm getting 4 notes, so we don't want. Now we can use it as a tapping pattern, but not for this one. So tap on, pull off to the open, hammer onto the 5. When I go to do the tap again, tap on and take my second finger off, then I'm ready to go back to the open, hammer onto 5. Now the same with all our other patterns. The best way to build the speed up is just start slowly, and as you're doing it, try and go faster and faster. As you're speeding up, don't lose your pull off, which is the most common problem. We don't just want tap, hammer on, tap on. We don't want 2 sounds, we want 3. Tap, pull off, hammer on. Now let's try that same pattern, but this time we're going to be moving up the neck with our tapping hand. So we're going to start exactly the same. Tap on 8, pull off to the open, hammer on to 5. Now when you're doing that, the hammer on the 5th fret, make sure you don't hit the B string there, and the same with the tap, just all on the E string. So we'll do that 4 times. Now while I've got that finger down, I'm going to move my right hand up, and this time I'm going to tap on the 10th fret, and as I do the tap, I take my second finger off, pull off to the open, hammer onto 5 again. So the pattern's exactly the same, we're just changing where we're tapping. And we do that 4 times there. So tap on 10, pull off to the open, hammer on 5. And now we move up to the 12th fret, and we do the same thing again. When I do the tap, I lift my second finger off, we tap on, pull off to the open, hammer onto 5 again, and we do that 4 times there. Then we come back down, back to the 10th fret, same pattern. Tap on 10, pull off to the open, hammer onto 5. And then back to our starting pattern, tapping on the 8. So let's do that slowly now. 4 times. Moving up. Up again to the 12th fret. Back to the 10th fret. And 8th fret. So you can see with that one, my left hand doesn't have to move at all. That's staying on the 5th fret. I'm just moving my right hand up. So let's try that up to speed now. Now when you feel you can do 4 on each, try 2 on each there. 12th fret back to 10. And you can build your speed slowly as you're playing this one as well. And when you feel like you've got that, try it with 1 on each. And that's our pattern now, moving our right hand up the neck. Now you can also try that on different strings as well, with different frets. So once you can do the tapping patterns in part 1, 2, 3 and 4, that one's pretty easy, but it gives you a completely different sound now that we're using the open string. So if you're having any problems, leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Give us a like and subscribe for heaps of free songs and lessons. Now if you would like step-by-step guitar lessons for beginners to advanced players and learn all the secrets to playing all your favourite songs and how to do all the lead techniques you'll ever need as a guitarist, also heaps of free lessons, click the link below and jump onto Essential Guitar Lessons. So I hope you enjoyed this and I'll see you soon.